Hi, I'm David. This is Jelena. Jelena's not wearing a microphone because she's going to be doing a strengthening flow, an Ashtanga strengthening flow. So we're going to start at the front of the mat, feet together. All right. And bring your arms down by your side. Take a nice deep breath in. And now on your inhale, I want you to slowly lift your arms up and bring your palms together only and look at your thumbs. Simple, right? Yekum. Now let's hold here. Keep reaching up. Try to feel your scapula, your shoulder blades, reaching up your back. Let your shoulders come up towards your ears. At the same time, pull your front ribs in and tuck your tailbone down. See if you can squeeze your glutes. Spin your legs slightly in, press down through the feet, pull in through your lower belly. Make your body into as straight a line as you possibly can. Push through your feet, reach through your arms. See if you can get 1 more centimeter of height. Again, press through the feet, inhale, stretch up through the arms. And now as you exhale, draw the belly in and fold forward and bring your hands onto the floor about shoulder width apart, index fingers pointing forward. Push into the hands and bring your head down towards your shins. Start to shift your weight forward towards your toes. Keep drawing your sits bones down. Pull them down towards the floor. Pull the thighs up the front of the leg. Pull in on your lower belly. Press your elbows back towards your shins more. Compress your body towards the legs. Good. And then next inhale, slowly pressing into your hands. Straighten your arms and stay there. Round your back. Pull your tailbone down. Try to puff your sacrum. Pull your lower belly in. Lift your chin slightly, shift your weight forward, and I want you to lift your heels 1 centimeter off the floor. Stay here. Press into the floor again, push, reach from your shoulders, round your back, shift your weight 1 more centimeter forward. Heels come higher. Good. Press into the fingertips. Start to tip your upper body forward a little bit more. See if you can lift your toes up off the floor. Lift them up, lift, and then shoot your legs back and lower down. Hold Chaturanga. So Chaturanga Dandasana, make sure your elbows are over your wrists, your palms are flat, chest forward. Push your shoulders back, press through your heels. Good. And then lower yourself all the way down to the floor. Switch your feet, point your feet back now, press the toes into the floor, and now slowly straightening your arms, lift into your upward facing dog. Spin your arms in, pull your shoulders back, draw your chest forward, and relax your bum. Press your toes down into the floor and start to pull your heels towards the back of the mat. Really engage your hamstrings. Feel them working really hard. See if you can soften your glutes completely and pull the pubic bone up into the sacrum using your bandhas. Let the hip bone sink towards the floor. Use the arms, draw the chest a little further forward. Keep the neck long, your chin slightly down, gaze on the nose, inhale. And then next exhale, press into the hands, lift your navel, come back over the toes, find your downward dog position. Pushing into the hands, reaching from the shoulders again, the scapula rising up towards the ears, trap your front ribs, draw them in, tuck your tailbone, pull your hips back. Keep breathing, keep reaching. See if you can lift your lower belly a little bit more, creating that hollow shape. Good. And now shift your weight, come forward onto your tiptoes. So lifting the heels nice and high. Keep pushing into the hands, round your back, bend your right knee and bring your right knee in towards your chest. That's it. Lift the heel towards your glutes, press into the hands. See if you can shift just a little bit further forward, right into the fingertips. Push with the hands, and then exhale, bring your right leg back. Come back to downward facing dog. Inhale again, lift onto the balls of the feet, lift the heels, and then bend your left knee. Bring your left knee towards your chest. Shift your weight forward, press into the fingers, round the back. Good, and then bring that left foot back. And then bring your chest forward again, come into a plank position and lower down into Chaturanga Dandasana. Chest forward, chin forward. See if you can hold an extra breath here, pressing through the heels. If you need to, press your knees into the floor. And then inhale, point the feet, come into your upward facing dog. Take a few breaths here, letting the hips sink. Activate the hamstrings again. Pull the toes down into the mat, heels towards the back. Draw the chest forward and up. Take a deep breath in. And then let's go back into downward facing dog. Good. We're going to do some jumps now. So when we jump, we're going to shift the weight forward into the hands, jump up, and then press the legs back so you land back into downward dog. So on the inhale, shift your weight forward, bend the knees, and jump. and then push through your hands, press yourself back so you land in downward dog. Try it again. Inhale, bend the knees and jump. And then exhale, press yourself back, downward facing dog. One more time. Inhale, shift the weight forward, press into the hands, jump, bend the knees, and then come back down. Good. So this time we're going to come into a tuck position, try to hold for a second, and then explode the legs back into downward dog. Shift the weight forward as you inhale, round back, tuck your tail, bend the knees, jump, keep the knees bent to the chest, and then shoot the legs back. Try it again. Inhale, shift the weight forward, bend the knees into the chest, push through your hands, shoot the legs back. One more time. Shift the weight forward on the inhale, bend the knees, keep inhaling, you jump, knees to the chest, and then exhale, shoot the legs back. Good. Take another breath in downward dog. Take a rest for a second. Just 1 second though. And then inhale. I want you to hop or step your feet to your hands, this time landing the feet close to the hands. Feet together. And then keep pushing into your hands here. Slowly start to lift your chin. Slowly start to straighten your legs. Round your back. Pull your tailbone down. Navel up. And then exhale. Push into the hands and bring your head down towards your legs again. Good. This time, walk your hands back so they're closer towards your heels. The heels of the palms coming back towards the heels of the feet. Press into the hands again. See if you can lift your hips a little bit higher. When you lift, though, try not to lift through the sits bones. Pull your sits bones down, press through the feet, straighten the legs, lift through the front of the hips. Good. Keep pressing into your hands. Push, bring the body in closer to the legs. Good. Okay. And then walk your hands a little bit forward and come up onto your fingertips here. Good. So straightening your back, pull your tailbone down again, navel up, and then shift your weight a little bit forward into the hands. You're going to lift your right leg back into a Digasana type position. So stretching the right leg back parallel to the floor. Start to lift your chest, stretch your arms out to the side. Balance here for one breath. Good. And then slowly bring your hands back down. Push into the fingertips, bring your right leg down. Same thing on the left. Shift your weight into the right foot. Balance yourself, pull your tailbone down, lift your left leg up. Good. Keep lifting through the navel. Start to stretch the arms out to the side. Fix your gaze. Breathe. Balance. And then slowly bring your hands back down and then your left leg down. Walk your hands back again. Good. Put the heels of the palms in line with the heels of the feet eventually. Try to press your forehead down against your shins. Contain the sits bones, lift through the belly, strengthen the legs, shift your weight forward. Good. And then next inhale, now I want you to press through the feet, come all the way up slowly, bringing your arms up by your ears. Stretch all the way up, look towards your thumbs, tuck your tailbone, keep your front ribs in, hold here, press through the feet, reaching up, reach, strong legs, squeeze the bum, and then exhale, back to Samastiti. Good. So that was just a nice quick little strengthening flow. Just having a little fun. It's definitely going to help you with your Ashtanga practice, at least in the idea of conditioning your body. But probably the best thing you can do now is just do your regular practice. Thanks for joining us. If you like this, make sure to subscribe. Let us know in the comments. Give us a like. And we'll see you on another tutorial soon. Bye.